Folks, well, it finally happened. It looks like Zillow, even the great almighty Zillow, has gone negative on home prices. We will bring up a report here shortly where even I can't believe it. Even the most bullish of bulls have gone negative on home prices for the next 12 months. They are now calling for home prices to go down 1.1% nationally speaking. Now, as I always say, remember, there is no housing market. There is thousands of buy boxes and locations. So please always do the work on your area. I do talk about the housing market. It's something I have looked at for the better part of 30 years. I am now pretty much the only person on an island, it feels like. I actually believe we will see some negative year-on-year numbers next year. I did a show the other day about my 12 predictions for 2023. One of them was we will have a 3 or 4 month window, kind of like March, April, May, June, maybe February, March, April, May, kind of a 4 month window where year-on-year numbers will go negative. That was kind of the last pop of the bubble and craziness. But I will say that I believe when we look at December 2023 against December 2022, I actually believe we will be positive. I believe we will be up maybe 1%. So, yeah, let's bring up the article where Zillow kind of breaks the glass and says, we think prices are going down. So let's share that. Here we go. Hopefully you can see that now. So here we go. You can actually find this. I think this was on Zillow. So yeah, I got this on Zillow Research. Home prices are up 10.4% as of now. Again, going year on year, but they are expected to fall 1.1%. Yes, Zillow, kind of the most bullish of bulls, is saying prices are going negative. Zillow has joined the crash bros. I kid because 1% is not a crash. But here we go. Zillow's forecast for existing home sales. This is transactions first. Has been revised down slightly as leading indicators continue slowing in the housing market. Weaker sales data led by a downward revision in price growth forecast for 2023. Basically, they're saying less transactions, meaning that prices will need to come in. Zillow projects that typical U.S. home values to fall 1.1% from November 22 to November 2023. I want to be clear where I stand on this. I, again, don't see that. Again, we are talking about median home price. Median home price being the middle. It is going to be very interesting because we just talked about a Redfin report talking about luxury being a problem. I actually think luxury home sales will be very restricted for the next 3 to 6 months. But at some point, these folks with luxury homes, they will take massive haircuts. And then that, I think, will pull the market up. Also, this is going to be very interest rate sensitive. If, for example, mortgage rates average 5.5% or below by November of next year, I don't see how you have home prices decline. If for some reason interest rates even go lower, call it 5%. Again, I am not calling that. I'm just playing out all of these scenarios because there are no certainties, just probabilities. We can have a very, very different market. But again, Zillow kind of has joined everybody else saying 2023 is going negative. One of the things, again, that I disagree with is right here. Zillow expects 5 million homes to be sold. I think we're going sub 4. They're calling this a decrease. They dropped it from 5.1. That is their total for 2022 or 2022. And what they're saying is 4.4 million for 2023. Again, I think that is high. So Zillow, of course, probably rightly so, is predicting more transactions than I am, but they are acknowledging that prices may come in. They do talk about mortgage rates right here at 7%. Current mortgage rates down to 6.3. Again, it's very more. I'm trying to fight off a sneeze. I'm sorry. So again, we're going to see where interest rates go, where unemployment, inflation, interest rates, it's all placed together. 2023 is going to be the year of investors doing the work. Let me actually get out of this. Let me stop sharing. So again, remember, when we are talking about the housing market, there is no one market. There is thousands of buy boxes across the country. What I would ask you to do as a one rental at a time follower is to do the work. Please get a buy box. If you don't know what that is, good news. I have a playlist called Deep Dive. I did a whole 90-minute session on what a buy box is. Please go watch that. Sorry, I keep hitting the mic. I'm not sure if you can hear that. But again, there's a lot out here. 2023 is going to be a very different year, right? We have been used to 6 million transactions. I think we go to 4. We are heading into a very different economic environment. I think it'll be a rolling recession. I think it is going to be like we're operating in mud. That's my best analogy I have for you is I think we're going to be operating in mud. But I thought it was interesting. Zillow goes negative on housing. Didn't think we would see that, right? They're kind of always the bullish of bulls. But yep, one less person calling for a positive. I want to be clear. I'm calling December 23 above December 22 for my year-on-year compare. We'll see. Have fun. Take care. Bye.